Hey, what is up, everybody? So, I have a new video, as you can tell. um, I decided to put a sound system into the 280Z. Um, and it's I don't know, I wasn't going to go this fancy, but with how the speakers are originally in the 2 plus 2s, I decided to go just, not use the original mounts because you have to take literally the entire inside out of the car, all the interior out of the car, and I'm not feeling like doing that because if I ruin any of this interior in this car, it's gonna suck because finding an interior for the 2 plus 2s is very difficult, uh, and most of it's in black. Mine's in that brown tan color, so that makes mine even worse. But yeah, I have this beautiful brown interior, as you can see. Tan. It's tan, British tan. It's not my favorite color, but it goes with the green, and I am going to be going green with this car again. So it's like, let's leave it. But I'll show you the stock spots. That would be, haha, you guys can see that well. So these speaker holes right here. But in order to get to those, you have to take that panel off, the whole thing, all the way down to there, and which is also tucked behind the window trim, which would have to come off. And I am not going to do that because I don't want to fuck it up. I thought about it, but I also don't want to put the standard 5 1/4 speakers back in. So I ordered some retrofit kits to put one down by the fuse box and to put one where the old ECU mount was, which means I'm gonna have to tidy up my wiring, which I could honestly shorten or stuff under my dash somewhere, which is what I'm probably gonna end up doing because you guys have seen what I do to cars. Oh god, just $350 steering wheel on the floor, it's all good. But for the back, I'm going to be making a custom box that goes right there where the old taillight cover panel goes. But it's going to be sticking out further, probably about right here, because I am going to be putting in these kicker speakers, 6x9s, 3 channels. I'm going to be putting those in. Oh, I didn't show you the head unit yet. Let's take a look at that. There she is, right there. That is it. Currently off, not plugged in right now. But I did have to cut to make it fit. But I mean, it get added there. But I mean, it looks pretty good there. It's fine. It's gonna be great. It's touchscreen, wireless Android Auto, USB-C, USB 3.0. It does GPS. It comes with a backup camera. I'm not positive I'm going to use, but still, for $150 on Amazon, I could not say no. So that is what I'm going to be doing. It's also a microphone and a bunch of other shit that it came with that I wasn't going to install at first, but I think that I might as well install all of that. Also, just turn the fireplace on. It'll be, yeah, it's sparking up right now. I just cleaned the glass, which apparently this Griot's Garage heavy duty wheel cleaner does an amazing job at. So sprayed it on there, left it on there for a minute, scrubbed it around, and it cleaned the glass up right away, so it's super clear now. So I'm happy with that. Nice focusing, awesome focusing. There we go. That's turning on. Let's see. Have turned it up to 60. It's 53 in here, so yeah. Also got my coffee. I'm set. All right, well, I got the speaker box done. As you can see, I created a little bit of a mess, but the rest of it I cut outside because I was smart, but stopped going outside because it's getting a little bit dark. But let's take a look. So yeah, 6x9s. These are kind of beefy for this car, but there we go. They're set in there, and I decided to angle them because I didn't want them shooting straight at the seats. So I angled them. So, you know, they're kind of angled with the glass. They shoot up and into the cabin. So, I mean, there shouldn't be too many issues with sound waves, but I still need to carpet these. These are just in there. I'm kind of wishing that these weren't shaped like this because they're both kind of facing the same way, you know? See, big hole, little hole, big hole, little hole. I'd like it if it was like big hole, little hole, big hole. But, you know, it's whatever. You can't flip it because these are shaped funky. The grill, I already tried fucking with it. It's unfuckwithable. But this is what I have so far. This is like inch thick wood. It's just like pine or something light. I don't even know, you know. I was going to use plywood, but I didn't want to have to buy plywood, so I bought these. They were pretty cheap. And then for the tops, I just have a really thin piece of MDF. Used a brad nailer to put these in, and there is some wood glue underneath. But I'm going to carpet these. I kind of shaped them too. So, I mean, they fit in there really, really snug right now. Not really snug, but they fit in there pretty snug. And I'm going to carpet them, take the speakers back off, carpet them, and maybe find different hardware to hold these on. Because these screws are just into the wood right now. And I'd like to run them all the way through with like a screw and a nut on the back of it with some washers, so maybe some rubber under that so there's zero vibrations. But yeah, I think this is it for today. I'm probably gonna get carpet tomorrow, get these carpeted and run the wire back here, and I'm gonna probably hook these up because my front speakers are not gonna be here for probably a week or two, according to Motorsport Auto and or the Z Store, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, those are fucking dope. Love them. Kind of maybe future plan might include a sub. I don't know if I need a sub. I mean, I don't need a sub. This is my little shitbox race car. But yeah, that's where we are right now. For anyone wondering, these are what I use. Kicker 6x9, 450 watt CSC 693. And the front housings that I ordered that are going to go in there, they come with retro sound speakers, so I don't know if those sound good. I don't know anything about them. So if they're not good, I'm going to replace them with 5 1/4 kickers, 2 ways that'll fit in there. So we will see what happens. So I don't know if you can hear it, but I got the speakers kind of mocked up. They're in there, and we're jamming. Got the Bluetooth connected down there. I need to make it so it doesn't show maps when I'm not using maps, because I don't really use maps a lot. But we got the tunes going in the back, so I mean it works, and it's pretty fucking loud. I don't know if you guys can get a good oh, that hits pretty damn hard. Oh, fuck yeah. Alright, I'm gonna turn that down. That is legendary. Yeah, no, I'm happy. That is awesome. So the backs are in, and it sounds great, honestly, with just the backs. Which is awesome, because I still have to add the fronts. And as far as running the wires to the back speakers, I went under. They're still out here, don't worry about that. But I took this panel off right here on the door. The wires are running right on the inside of the seal, and then they come out and go under the back seats. Can't really see back there, in between the cushion and everything. And this way they go under the seat, and I'm gonna unplug them, and they're gonna go up through there into the back of the console. But that should be perfect. But yeah, I still need to wrap these in carpet, which is fine. It's whatever. Might do that today, and then figure out how to make them stay there and not move around. But yeah, this is working. The Bluetooth, wireless CarPlay, not CarPlay. I'm using Android Auto because, you know, I'm better than a lot of other people, but it's working amazing. I need to show my wife and my child. They're not going to care, but you know, I need to show somebody. All right, I just got the speaker kit from Motorsport Auto, which I thought was going to be later because they said, you know, it said they were in stock on their website. Then I ordered them. Then I got a message saying that they're not actually in stock and it'll be a week or two. And I was like, all right, whatever. They ended up coming in less than a week, which is cool. I just wish they would have told me, so, you know, I would have known they shipped them, because I have them shipped to a different location other than my house. But yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. Plus these come with like no instructions. It doesn't say which side is which is another L for them. But so this is the one that is going to go on the passenger side down here. It's all pre-shaped and everything. Then this one is for the driver's side. But first, I'm going to go ahead and run the speaker wires, and then I will put these in. All right, a couple days later, and I have taken out the retro sound speakers. They sound absolutely terrible. I was not going to keep those. I was not going to keep those in there. I should have just, when I ordered these surrounds, these housings for these front speakers, I probably should have just not got the speakers, but I was like, they can't be that bad, you know. But they were in fact that bad. So I will show you over on the passenger side. I got them down there, the kickers, same series that I have in the back. You see those back there somewhere? Hey, there you are. So that is on the passenger side, and again, these are slim models, so they fit in there just the same as the retro sound do. This one, it fits better than the retro sound just because there's not an extra panel on it, but it does get a little close to my clutch pedal, but I mean, it doesn't interfere with it in any way, shape, or form. So it's totally fine. I don't mind it. But yeah, these sound way better. I tested them out. There's the head unit. It's fan-fucking-tastic, so I'm happy for now. And I also got my fabric in to do the box. Fabric my box. And also, I don't remember if I showed you guys this or not, but I got the ports for the box, and got the holes drilled. So they're 2 inchers, which, I mean, I don't know anything about sound shit, so they are in there, and maybe they're gonna do what they're supposed to do. I have no fucking idea. But let's get some fabric on that box. All right, well, the rear box is done. And if you want to know what I used some of this felt sound box stuff. It has a sticky side on it. That's kind of why I went with it. I ordered it on Amazon. I think it was like $23 or $32 or something like that. I don't know. But it was plenty of material to do this. There it is. All felted up. Beautiful. Got the sound holes in there, sound ports, speakers back in. I'm still trying to find a way to better attach these. I think I know a better way, and I'll change it in the future. But for now, I actually have some zip ties going through each hole through a bolt hole that's on the inside that's no longer used, and those are cinched in there. But yeah, it's pretty fancy. First time building a box. I wasn't gonna pay the $300 plus another $100 in shipping for one of the ones on eBay, and yeah, this is working just fine. This is my screen. Google Maps is off right now, but I mean, there's everything I want on it. It's awesome. Got my speakers, and again, just looks fucking legit. I'm super happy. These kicker speakers absolutely demolish. Um, I'm probably going to put a link down in the bottom to everything I used. If you guys want to use some of the stuff I used, the Amazon's links will be affiliate links since I'm an Amazon affiliate. Just want to clear that out there. So if you order anything on Amazon from one of my links, I do get part of the profit from that. But yeah, I think that is going to do it for my sound system. I'll see when I post this video. There might be a car meet I go to before or after this video. We'll see. You'll know in the next video I put out. But I'm trying to do these videos more. I've been kind of slacking, even though I said I was going to be doing more of these videos. I lied to you guys, and it happens. Life happens. It gets busy. But yeah, I guess look out for more of these videos. Follow my Instagram for more of my, updates and whatever. More of the stuff I do. That's where I post the most is Instagram, which is funny because they don't pay me, but whatever. But yeah, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, comment anything else you want to see on this old piece of shit. I'm always happy to make a video explaining how something works on this car or how I did something. But yeah, until next time, see ya.